Right, so hi, my name is Gazal. I think for those of you who were following me, my previous videos, watching my previous videos, I do make videos, different videos about business, selling online, e-commerce, Amazon, eBay, Unbuy, and also sharing our experiences about selling online as an online seller for over 10 years. Today I'm just going to make it short and simple. I'm going to give you an update about Amazon FBA for those Amazon UK sellers who were who were really feeling horrible after they lost all their Amazon Europe shops. Well, it was mainly Amazon UK FBA. You were sending your stuff to Amazon UK and the Amazon fulfillment center, and they were sending it, shipping it for you to European countries. But unfortunately, after Brexit, everything ruined and all the businesses actually went down. But now we have a really good news. Just a few days ago, we received an email from Amazon that they're reopening their Amazon UK FBA system to send it to European shops, European countries basically, and that's a really good news because we all know that we have to work harder and research more, which we have been, but we're still waiting for more updates from Amazon, obviously, because we still don't know how Amazon's going to collect VAT, because we don't really want to pay 2 times VAT on tax, once from the UK and once from Europe. So we need to wait and see. There's a link I will put in the description below for you. You can read it carefully. If you wish to sell from Amazon UK FBA, now you have the chance to sell your products to European countries, but make sure you read all the do's and don'ts carefully. Well, obviously we have been doing it even last year, but unfortunately Brexit ruined it. Now we're hoping that we will be able to get it back. This is the latest update I've got, and I will keep you updated more about what Amazon says and what they're going to do. But then yes, obviously they put priority for Amazon UK sellers who were having already European PANs. European countries. I will keep you updated and give you more information if you're interested, because I want to read more about it and find out what is happening now with this reopening system from Amazon UK to Amazon Europe. But obviously we are also planning to get one of these softwares that you can link your inventories from Amazon UK to your other online shops. Also, one good update from Amazon is that if you're having other European shops, each product that you list on your inventory, you're going to be able to see how many markets you've got that product in. Keep an eye on your inventories every time. Make sure what marketplaces you've got right now, and also the prices. For example, as you have seen my previous videos, I've been posting different videos of what product we're selling right now on Amazon and what products are giving you better profit, what products are not giving you that much profit. I've been talking about all these on my I think 2 or 3 videos before this video. So just watch that video if you're interested, see what products we're selling. But in our experience, for example, with this new update of Amazon, you can check exactly what products you're selling with what price in European price, like in euros. For example, for us, a few of our products, we didn't even know it. The price on our European shop were much more cheaper than the UK shop, which we were surprised because we didn't even know that we were not updating the prices maybe from last year or something. So we were literally just selling a few of our products with loss. So make sure that you will definitely keep an eye on your inventory, checking all the products that you're selling, and I think what you need to do is to make sure that you get one of these softwares, but it's not really essential if just you want it. If you're selling like maybe hundreds of different products and you've got a lot of products on your inventories, then these softwares are really helpful. So what we're planning to do is to just get one of these softwares, but not now, obviously in the next few months, because we don't really have time at the moment. Lots of things are going on in our lives, so we're just trying to sort everything bit by bit. And yeah, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell so that you can actually get the notification once my next video comes up. And thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments below. Thanks, bye.